Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to use the AI as a life coach on the Ask AI application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, slide to the right side of the screen and then click on Health and Nutrition. Tap on Life Coach and here you can find the default instruction. I want you to act as a life coach. I will provide some details about my current situation and goals, etc. So here down below you should see the request that you can change according to your own needs and preferences. The default option is I need help developing healthier habits for managing stress, so select it, cut it out and type in your own instruction, then click on the send button below, and then in a few seconds you will be able to check out the life coach recommendation and advice generated by the AI. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.